What's up? It's the Wednesday before Halloween, and we've set up a spooky tablescape to scare the you-know-what out of you. We have scary lights, pumpkins, and even a haunted truck. So join me. It's Wednesday, and it's time to take a look at our Halloween tablescape for 2020. This year I had to bring in the purple lights to match our tablescape. So I started with Boofetti from Temp-tations. I got this 40% off recently, and I was glad to get it just in time for Halloween. So under here, my charger is actually for Thanksgiving, but you wouldn't even know it. They're orange, and they work perfectly with this Boofetti table setting. And that's the little mug, so cute, and I paired it with just some wine glasses for a glass of wine. I brought in my gold flatware that I've used a lot, as well as a gold and brass napkin ring. And I have my cute little Frankie and Mummy salt and pepper shakers. So my tablescape, I got this runner from Amazon. It has a light down the middle of it. It was kind of a pain to set up because you had to thread that light through this mesh. And I have some candles. These are from Amazon. I have some floating candles in the water, as well as some flickering votives. I thought these are cute. You put them in the water. They're immersible LED lights. This black and glass candlestick I got from Macy's, and these flickering candlesticks I got from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. And I love my Boo Crew truck. Eric got this for me this year at Sam's Club, and these sold out fast. They have little purple lights. That's why I paired it with the overhead purple lights. This tablecloth is actually purple. I got it from Amazon. It's hard to tell with the purple lights. I hope you had fun looking at our Halloween tablescape this year. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I hope you have an absolute fantastic Halloween. This was a little silly, and it's not a usual tablescape that I do. Sorry about the lighting, because with this purple light, my camera wasn't too happy with it, but it is so much fun if you were here in person, because these lights just make it fantastic. I'll put links down in the description to the lights, to everything that I can. that I purchased from Amazon, and I had so much fun putting this together. So stay tuned because we plan to go live on Halloween at 4 o'clock. We are going to be doing a pumpkin carving, and we're going to have a lot of fun to kick off this Halloween season. We are going to be in the house. Haven't decided what we're going to do about candy yet, whether we're going to do goodie bags or whether we're just going to pass this year. I hope you have a great one. I hope you're able to join us. There will be a notice about it up on the channel, so you'll be able to see that and get the link to our live. It'll be 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Halloween. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I hope you have a really, really nice Halloween. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. You can catch me on social media in my Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/AmyLearnsToCook. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Happy Halloween, everybody, and happy Wednesday.